Hello, I'm Inga Tara and I'm a happy life, healthy love coach, holistic wellness practitioner, and certified clinical hypnotherapist. I help people remove their blocks to happiness by healing emotional traumas caused by past failed relationship and traumatic events using the power of the subconscious mind and relationship coaching. For example, one of my clients found the love of her life and recently got engaged after we worked on her subconscious issues of not being lovable. And another client lost 20 pounds after participating in my 8-week stress and pain management workshops and listening to my guided meditations. So if you or anyone you know struggling with post-traumatic stress, or you love someone with emotional traumas, I would love to help them heal their life. Contact me to schedule a complimentary discovery session. I'm Inga Tara, and I can help you change your life through the power of your mind.